What's up, guys? It's me, Riley, here, and today I'm going to be part 2 of rating my fidgets. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you can see when a new video comes out. Well, I'm probably going to have to do a part 3 because YouTube has a limit for how long you record. So, check out part 3 tomorrow. So, let's get started. Let's just start with the Simple Dimple because I'm using it from my thumbnail. As you guys are going to see, it's very amazing, so I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10 rating off. And next, I have this pop tube. And it has a very good sound. So I'm going to give it a 8 out of 10. That's very loud. Next, I have this Slinky. It's very good, so I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. And next, I have this slime. It has very good texture, but smells gross. If you guys could smell this, you'd totally regret looking at this, because it smells gross. Next, I have this silver acupressure ring. So I'm going to give that a 6 out of 10 because I like it. It's amazing. Next, I have these two boba poppets. They're pretty satisfying, as you guys can see. I'm going to give the mini one an 8 out of 10, and I'm also going to give this one an 8 out of 10 too. But the bad side on this one's pretty terrible, but I still like it because my friend got me this, and I got this from Walgreens, so let's move on. Next, I have this purple bike chain, or some people call flippy chains. I really like it because it's pretty amazing. So, but one of my pet peeves is when one of these go over to the other side and I can't get it out. It's terrible. Comment down below if you agree with me. So, next I have this color changing Nido. I've had this for a long while because you guys know Nidos are not in stock anywhere anymore, which sucks because I love Nidos. So I'm going to give this Nido a 10 out of 10 rating. Next, I have this mini tube. It's pretty amazing, but as you guys can see here, there's a little broken spot. But other than that, it's pretty amazing, so I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. Next, I have this penguin mochi. It's pretty cute and squishy. I really like it when fidgets are squishy. I like it, so I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. Next, I have another mochi. It's this dirty octopus. But other than the dirtiness, it's pretty squishy, but I'm going to give it a 4 out of 10. Next, I have this turtle thing. It's not considered a fidget because I got this from one of those game things at an arcade. It's pretty amazing though, but I don't really think it's a fidget, so I'm going to give it a 3 out of 10. Next, I have this puzzle thing. It's not really considered a fidget. My sister gave it to me. And it's really hard to do, so I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10 because it's difficult. Next, I have this cupcake poppet because it's very, very satisfying and I love it. Well, and one last thing for today is the giant poppet. It's very satisfying. I'm gonna give it a million out of 10 because I love it. So thanks so much for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you can see other videos like this. Bye!